Welcome back to the $25 Investor. Let me ask you something. What if your future financial freedom did not depend on having thousands of dollars today, but instead depended on just one simple habit? A habit so small that almost anyone can start, yet powerful enough to potentially create millions over time. That habit is investing just $25 a week. Think about that for a moment. $25 is less than what many people spend on takeout, coffee, or small daily expenses. It does not feel life-changing in the moment, but when you combine consistency, time, and the power of compounding, something incredible starts to happen. In today's video, we are going to apply this exact strategy to a company called KLA Corporation, also known by its ticker symbol KLAC. This is not just another random stock. This is a company that quietly powers the entire semiconductor industry, the same industry that drives artificial intelligence, smartphones, cloud computing, and the future of technology. And here is the exciting part. We are going to break down exactly how investing just $25 a week into KLA Corporation could grow over time, not just in theory, but with real numbers. By the end of this video, you will see how small beginnings can turn into massive results. Now that we understand the power of starting small, let's move into how this strategy actually works in practice. Let's start with a simple but powerful idea. You commit to investing $25 every single week into KLA Corporation. You are not trying to predict the market. You are not trying to buy at the perfect time. You are not reacting to headlines or emotions. Instead, you are building wealth through discipline. This strategy is called dollar cost averaging. It means you invest consistently regardless of whether the market is going up, down, or sideways. Over time, this approach helps smooth out volatility and allows you to accumulate shares steadily. Now let's put this into perspective. If you invest $25 per week, that equals $1,300 per year. At first glance, that may not seem like a lot, but investing is not about how fast you start. It is about how long you stay committed. And when you combine consistent contributions with a strong performing company like KLA Corporation, the long-term results can be extraordinary. Now that we have the strategy, the next question is simple. What exactly are you investing in? So what exactly is KLA Corporation? KLA Corporation is a global leader in semiconductor process control. In simple terms, KLA Corporation ensures that microchips are manufactured with extreme precision. Every modern electronic device relies on semiconductors, from your smartphone to your laptop to data centers powering artificial intelligence. All of these require highly advanced chips, but manufacturing these chips is incredibly complex. Even microscopic defects, invisible to the human eye, can cause chips to fail. That is where KLA Corporation comes in. They develop advanced inspection tools and software that detect these tiny defects during production. This allows chip manufacturers to improve yield, reduce waste, and maintain high quality. Why is this important for investors? Because as demand for technology grows, the demand for semiconductors grows. And as semiconductor production increases, the need for KLA Corporation solutions becomes even more critical. This positions KLA Corporation as a key enabler of the entire tech ecosystem. Now that you understand what KLA Corporation does, let's compare its performance to the broader market. The S&P 500 is often used as a benchmark. 3 years, the S&P 500 grew about 20%, 5 years about 13.65%, 10 years about 15.72%. Now compare that to KLA Corporation. 3-year growth, 70.55%, 5-year growth, 41.48%, 10-year growth, 40.07%. This is a significant difference. KLA Corporation has consistently outperformed the broader market over multiple timeframes. And while past performance does not guarantee future results, it does highlight strong historical growth. Before we go deeper into the numbers, it is important to take a moment for a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. The examples and opinions shared in this video are based on personal research and experience. Investing involves risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Always do your own research or consult with a licensed financial professional before making any investment decisions. Now let's refocus on KLA Corporation's growth profile. Over 3 years, the growth rate is 70.55%. Over 5 years, the growth rate is 41.48%. Over 10 years, the growth rate is 40.07%. These numbers show strong and consistent long-term performance, and this is exactly the type of company that can amplify the power of consistent investing. Now that we understand the company's performance, let's look at your actual contributions. If you invest $25 per week, after 1 year, you invest $1,300. After 5 years, you invest $6,500. After 10 years, you invest $13,000. After 15 years, you invest $19,500. After 20 years, you invest $26,000. After 25 years, you invest $32,500. After 30 years, you invest $39,000. This is your total contribution, your own money going into the market. Now let's see how that grows. With consistent investing into KLA Corporation, after 5 years, $6,500 grows to $23,168. After 10 years, $13,000 grows to $124,459. After 15 years, $19,500 grows to $334,807. After 20 years, $26,000 grows to $663,662. After 25 years, $32,500 grows to $916,594. After 30 years, $39,000 grows to $1,417,719. This is where compounding truly begins to show its power. Now imagine increasing your investment just a little more. If you invest $50 per week, after 5 years, $13,000 grows to $46,336. After 10 years, $26,000 grows to $248,918. After 15 years, $39,000 grows to $669,615. After 20 years, $52,000 grows to $1,327,324. After 25 years, $65,000 grows to $1,833,189. After 30 years, $78,000 grows to $2,835,438. Now we begin to see how increasing contributions accelerates results. Let's take that momentum even further. If you invest $100 per week, after 5 years, $26,000 grows to $92,673. After 10 years, $52,000 grows to $497,837. After 15 years, $78,000 grows to $1,339,231. After 20 years, $104,000 grows to $2,654,648. After 25 years, $130,000 grows to $3,666,378. After 30 years, $156,000 grows to $5,670,877. Now the compounding effect is becoming very clear. Now let's accelerate even more. If you invest $150 per week, after 5 years, $39,000 grows to $139,010. After 10 years, $78,000 grows to $746,756. After 15 years, $117,000 grows to $2,847,000. After 20 years, $156,000 grows to $3,981,972. After 25 years, $195,000 grows to $5,499,568. After 30 years, $234,000 grows to $8,506,316. This is where investing starts to look truly transformational. Now stepping into even higher commitment. If you invest $200 per week, after 5 years, $52,000 grows to $185,347. After 10 years, $104,000 grows to $995,674. After 15 years, $156,000 grows to $2,678,463. After 20 years, $208,000 grows to $5,309,297. After 25 years, $260,000 grows to $7,332,757. After 30 years, $312,000 grows to $11,341,755. Now you are entering serious wealth building territory. If you invest $250 per week, after 5 years, $65,000 grows to $231,684. After 10 years, $130,000 grows to $1,244,593. After 15 years, $195,000 grows to $3,348,079. After 20 years, $260,000 grows to $6,636,621. After 25 years, $325,000 grows to $9,165,947. After 30 years, $390,000 grows to $14,177,194. Now the results are becoming extraordinary. Finally, let's look at the highest level. If you invest $300 per week, after 5 years, $78,000 grows to $278,021. After 10 years, $156,000 grows to $1,493,512. After 15 years, $234,000 grows to $4,017,695. After 20 years, $312,000 grows to $7,963,945. After 25 years, $390,000 grows to $10,999,136. After 30 years, $468,000 grows to $17,012,633. This is the full power of long-term investing. So what does all of this mean? It means you do not need to start big. You can start with just $25 a week. And by staying consistent, patient, and committed, you can potentially build significant wealth over time. If you want to accelerate your results, you can increase your weekly investment to $50, $100, $150, $200, $250, or $300. In the next video, we will explore other companies like Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Meta Platforms, Tesla, Amazon, and Alphabet. We will compare them and see which one could potentially deliver the best long-term results starting with just $25 a week. Let me know in the comments which stock you want me to cover next. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you do not miss future content. Thank you for watching.